In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to show and hide containers with buttons in WordPress Elementor step by step. This is perfect if you want to create toggle sections, FAQs, hidden content areas, or interactive layouts without using extra plugins or custom code. We'll be using Elementor's built-in Accordion widget and styling it to look like a button that reveals and hides your content. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress and Elementor tutorials. Let's get started. First, we need to make sure Elementor is properly configured. Go to your WordPress dashboard. From the left sidebar, hover over Elementor and click on Settings. Inside the Settings area, look for the Experiments tab. Click on Experiments and make sure that Nested Elements is activated. This is important because it allows you to place containers inside other elements properly. If it's not active, enable it, then scroll down and click Save Changes. Once that's done, open the page where you want to add your show and hide container. Click Edit with Elementor to launch the Elementor editor. Now, here's the key idea. We are not going to use the regular button widget from the sidebar. Instead, we're going to use the Accordion widget, and we'll style its title to look exactly like a button. The Accordion will handle the show and hide functionality automatically. In the Elementor panel, search for Accordion and drag the Accordion widget onto your page. When you drop it in, you'll see a simple title with a plus icon. This might not look like a button yet, but we're going to change that. Click directly on the Accordion widget. In the left sidebar, under the Content tab, you'll see Accordion items. Click on item number 1. The text inside the title field is what will appear as your button text. Replace it with whatever you want. For example, click here to show content. Below that, in the content area of the Accordion item, you can insert anything you want to show or hide. This could be text, images, or even full containers if you're using nested elements. You can also delete extra Accordion items if you only need one toggle section. Now let's style the title so it looks like a real button. Go to the Style tab at the top of the left panel. Click on the Title section to expand it. First, change the background color to something bold like blue or green. Then change the text color to white so it stands out clearly. Next, increase the padding. For example, set it to 20 pixels on all sides. This will make the button taller and wider, giving it that proper button appearance. After that, adjust the border radius. If you set it to 5 pixels, you'll get slightly rounded corners. If you set it to 50 pixels, you'll get a fully rounded pill-style button. Choose the look that matches your website design. You can also remove or customize the plus icon if you prefer a cleaner button look. Under the icon settings, you can change the alignment or hide it completely. Now, when you preview your page, you'll see that clicking the styled title button will expand the content below it, and clicking it again will hide the content. That's it. You've successfully created a show and hide container using a button style in Elementor, without any extra plugins or custom JavaScript. This method is great for FAQs, feature sections, pricing breakdowns, hidden forms, or any situation where you want to reveal content only when a user clicks a button. And that's how to show and hide containers with buttons in WordPress Elementor. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.